Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Once again, welcome to this online session. So today we would continue the same topic, but today is non-fiction genre of literary terminology or literary genres, the non-fiction. So in the previous class we discussed about fiction in literary genres, and today's topic is non-fiction. In non-fiction means accounts of real people, places and events. Fact, not fiction. Fiction is not real, while this non-fiction is based on real people and places and events, actions. That's why it's called non-fiction, in which we have biography, autobiography, informational, textbook, instructional, reference books. So in biographies, or you cannot say biographies, biography is a true story about a person's life or parts of his or her life, written in third person point of view, he and she. So biographies is the story of that particular person who is writing about his life or her life, and someone is writing about his life or her life. So it is narrated in the third person point of view. Third person point of view means he and she. So you are describing a story of another person, famous person. While on other side, in biography we have autobiographies. Autobiography means are books that people write about their own life, written in the first person point of view, I, me, my. So the people who write their own story by themselves, that's called autobiography or autobiographies. So many people write their life, all their life's events on daily basis in the form of diary or their journal, and later on they just compile and give a form of a book. So that's called autobiographies. And the next source of non-fiction genre is informational writing, in which the information is being imparted or given. Informational texts that provide facts about a variety of topics, for example sports, animals, science, history, careers, travel, geography, space, weather, etc. So these are gives a variety topics on information, and it can be about science and anything. So it also comes in the category of non-fiction genre. History of the world, or World War history, World War First, World War Second, and epidemics, and these are all informational writing. And there are other types of writing, including poetry, which also part of non-fiction writing. By poetry we mean lines of poetry. Verses are written in stanzas, may include patterns of rhyme to capture the reader's interest. Uses carefully selected words and phrases to create vivid picture in the reader's mind. Vivid, to create clear picture in the reader's mind, because poetry always attracts people's mind and hearts. So poetry is something which the poets write about their surrounding and about their personal life or natural life. So poetry is words written to create a response of thought and feeling from the reader. It often uses rhythm and rhyme. So this also comes in the category of non-fiction, which express subjective or objective kinds of feelings, which is in and itself is a universality in appealing. So it has a universal advantage of capturing feelings and thoughts and emotion. The next part of non-fiction is drama, or we can also call it plays or drama. It presented to an audience, and it has a cast of characters. In drama and play we have characters, may have a narrator, the one who tells the story, who gives important information. Parts called acts or scenes. It has acts or scenes. It might have many acts, and each act consists or contains many scenes. So the real people work in their drama or play on the stage, and there is a narrator who just gives a commentary and gives the information, has props to help support action, different kind of tools or stage elements which gives help to support the action being taken place in their drama or play. There are dialogue that tells what the character or what the actor said. So stage direction also in italics. Now your turn. Name the genre of literature for each selection. A book titled How to Be the Best Gardener. You have to tell which kind of genre it is at the end of these 8 examples given the choice. This is a short kind of an assignment besides homework. Number 2, a novel about a boy who grows up in the city and learns about life the hard way. 3, a book titled All About My Life. And 4, a story about 2 robots who find a ray gun and take over the planet. Number 5, George Washington the President by Adam Weissel. 6, Shadon dropped the magic ring to the ground and said, "Be gone, dragons." 7, Andy and Madeline solved the mystery. It was Old Man Winters all along. 8, the moral of the story, the ant and the grasshopper is plain ahead. So these are the choice. You have to give the correct choice to the above 8 example. Homework. Dear student, please revise all these literary genres and then make a list of each genre, writing example in front of it as your homework assignment. Thank you very much and have a nice day.